Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm in Bali, bitches. Hey, what one? This concept I'm about to tell you is so mind-blowing. No one else has talked about this, and I think it's pretty good because it's worked for me over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Come back, comment down below when you got your results, because there is no way you will not manifest your dream life by doing this technique. So I literally manifested this exact setup. Me drinking my sparkling water in my villa in Bali. Sheesh, that's fresh. No offense, but I'm living the dream. I want to share with you guys exactly how I got here, because this, what I'm looking at right now, it came from in here. Came from my mind, and I materialized it. I manifested it into reality. So I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I did this, and some of the tips I'm giving you are very unconventional, especially one of these specific tips. If you are wanting to move to Bali, if you are wanting to manifest your dream life, if you are wanting to manifest moving to a different country, if you are wanting to manifest becoming the best version of yourself with a tan, this is the video for you. Let's get into it. So one tip I want to give you that I haven't heard many people, anyone talk about, is engulf yourself into that reality. This tip I use a lot. Now, what I mean by engulf yourself into the reality is surround yourself with people, places, things, information, books that are of that thing you want, that are of that reality you want. By engulfing yourself in this manifestation, in this reality, I just mean normalizing it for yourself. Because when you normalize something, it is like, well, of course. And that is a real key for manifesting, because I always say there's 3 steps to manifesting. Believe, trust, know. That is the 3-step formula. You want to believe it's going to happen. That's kind of airy-fairy. Believe, I believe it's going to happen. Then you want to trust. I believe and I trust it's going to happen. And then when you know, it's like I said, well, of course. So when you normalize this thing, whether it's a certain amount of money, whether it's a healthy relationship, whether it's moving to Bali, when you normalize it, it automatically goes from wanting to knowing. And another secret I'm gonna tell you right now, gosh guys, at least subscribe. At least subscribe. I'm giving it all away. Anyways, I don't know why no one else is speaking about it, okay? So utilizing the power of social media. We're gonna utilize it AF, and the way to do this, going back to the concept of this video, normalization. Literally just unfollow everyone except the type of people that are influencers in the field that your manifestation is. For example, the first time I did this was when I was manifesting my dream body and getting into the gym. I used to say, I will never go in the gym, I will never weightlift ever in my life, it will make you bulky, blah, 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 blah. But then when I unexpectedly gained weight for the first time, I was like, okay, this seems to be the avenue that I need to go down. I need to build muscle, lose fat. So what am I going to do? I'll follow all the other accounts, except some of my friends, some of my homies. Other than that, I literally just followed people with the results that I wanted. People not just with the results, but showing me the process how to get there. So I was both learning the step-by-step play, how to get there, and the end result. So I was seeing the end result, I had the end result in mind, these people that have the results that I want, and they're also telling me how to get there. All these people, I'm just surrounded by it. This person has their dream body, this person has their dream body, this person has their dream body, and that's the steps they took to get there. All these people, right? You're the average of the 5 people that you're closest with, okay? That goes for social media, goes for podcasts, goes for the influencers you follow. If you have this one influencer that's obese, and you're watching them every single day, they're normalizing obesity, so you're gonna be tended to go in that lifestyle. If you're following people that are partying every night, that's the lifestyle you are gonna see in your reality. Listen, this is so applicable because when you see people that come from a poorer area, what is the percentage of them that ends up as a doctor, as an entrepreneur? It's very small. Those people that get brought up in a poorer area with poorer parents, with poorer friends, with a poorer lifestyle, that's their environment, okay? So that's all they know. That's what they've normalized. That's what they think life is. They don't see an option on how to get out of that. They see it as really hard because the reason why things are hard, why they seem hard, is because they are unknown. The unknown is scary. So when you make the unknown known, I know how to do it now, so it's possible. Say, for example, your family's fat, right? You think being skinny is hard because that is all you've known. And you don't know it's scary, you don't know how to not be fat because that's all you've known. Your friends are important, but so is social media. So the people you follow on social media, it needs to be in direct proportion to the life you want to live. If you want to fast track your manifestation, that's the way to do it. Follow only people that have the results you want. But like I said, ones that are showing you how to get there. I know the secret, I haven't even seen the movie, but I've heard that there's just like, in your letterbox it comes £1 million when you want to earn money. Oh, I want to earn money. Oh, what's this in my letterbox? £1 million. Okay, it can work like that, but often it doesn't. Manifestation is law of attraction. People miss the law of action. It's all well and good you seeing someone that lives in Bali. They're just living their life, taking their Instagram pictures. Oh, look at me, partying, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's all well and good. That's good, that's good. It's giving you inspiration. It's giving you something to aim for. But how do you get there? If you are following these people that are teaching you, okay, this is the best restaurants, this is how you get your visa, this is this is that, this is that, this is all these things you need to know about Bali. It's gonna be so easy for you to get the results. It's gonna be so easy for you to know what to do. As I've said, you've eliminated the unknown because now you know. I'm not gonna burst my own bubble, but this is actually fucking gold. I can't believe I've just come up with this, honestly. And it works. It's not just spiritual, it's practical. So, if you want to move to Bali, if you want to manifest your dream life, if you want to manifest your dream body or dream boyfriend, utilize Instagram. Utilize social media. I don't like TikTok. I will not condone TikTok at all. I'm not doing that. Listen, you know what you sign up for. I am blunt. I tell it how it is. No bullshit. No lies. No sugarcoating. We don't like TikTok. I think it is a black hole where dreams go to die. There is many ways that you can cultivate this knowing, mindset work, visualization. Visualization is really good because by visualizing it, you are rehearsing it in your mind as if it has already happened. And the key with visualizing is feeling the feeling, not just the imagery, but feeling the feeling as if it has already happened. Because when you feel the feeling, you are creating brain-heart coherence. Visual imagery, the brain, heart, the feeling, coherence. And that's when you shift timelines. Like, just go watch Joe Dispenza because he talks about that a lot. It is quantum physics, guys. And I don't know, I'm proof in the pudding because this happened to me over and over again. The feeling is the secret. Neville Goddard. So many spiritual teachers talk about this. Visualization is an obvious but really great tool to normalize your dream life. Say we're looking at healthy love. I only attracted avoidant attachment style men that led me on situationships AF here, there and everywhere. I did not have my first relationship until I was 26 because of my childhood, because of my patterns, because of my attachment style. Okay, so how did I start attracting healthy love? from never experiencing it in the past. Visualization, affirmations, what you repeat, you retain. If you keep telling yourself something, it becomes true. It's not woo-woo. Oh, affirmations, oh, I'm just saying myself in the mirror. Guys, when you repeat something to yourself over and over and over again, it is true. I was talking to my friend the other day, and when you become proficient in retraining your mind, when you practice these techniques over and over again, it becomes your normal. So for me and my friend I was talking about this with, whenever I'm wanting to attract something, I replace my negative, self-deprecating thoughts that I don't want, and whenever I catch those limiting beliefs, I change them around with a new and empowering belief to the thing that I want to manifest. So, for example, healthy love. In the past, I would say things like, oh, I only attract avoidant attachment style men. I'll never find love. That was a big one. Let's work with that. I'll never find love. What if I never find love? So whenever I would say that to myself in my mind, I'd catch it like a fucking bug and say, hey, no, no thank you, and replace it with, maybe I haven't found love right now, but I will find love. My dream soulmate is out there. If I exist, he exists. And the way you train your mind is through meditation, because we have 70,000 thoughts a day, and if you're an overthinker, it's more like 100. We want to clear the mind. We want to meditate, observe the thoughts, and when you meditate, if you're not meditating, what are you doing? It enables you to think clearly in the day, not just in meditation, but when you become an observer of your thoughts, that translates into your everyday. So when you're going your everyday, you will become an observer, because you're not the body, you're not the thoughts, you're not the emotions, you're the soul. So by meditating, you're sort of connecting outside of your body to your soul. Your soul resides here. So you can observe your thoughts. When the limiting beliefs come up, you can see them, catch them, throw them away, and replace them with a new empowering belief. And the new affirmations, the new empowering beliefs become your reality. They become you. Because your thoughts are you. In the end of the day, they're not you. I know I just said they're not you, but because you're in the body, you're in the physical experience, your thoughts are like entities, right? They make up your energetic aura. Your thoughts are entities, they're in your aura like this, okay? The bad ones, the good ones, okay? So when you replace them with new affirmations, positive affirmations, that will become you, that will become your reality. And that's kind of the spiritual, that's actually kind of a secret. Because I'm a trained pranic healer, and in pranic healing it's sort of like the secrets of the universe, and I've just told you the secrets of the universe. Just remember, what you believe to be true is true. If you believe you can achieve it, you will. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!